What's up, everybody? I'm back with a brand new video, and listen, I am doing something that you guys probably didn't know that I could do. You guys probably didn't know that I could do this, but I am making some homemade banana pudding. So what I'm not doing, I'm not heating up anything. I am making it kind of like from scratch, but I'm making it from a point of like, you know, the cold way, making it kind of cold. So it's not going to be too much, but I'm definitely going to go ahead and get into it. So I'm starting out with a bowl. I got this for Christmas. Well, I got this. Did I get this for my? I think I got this as a gift, but this is just a regular bowl, a bowl that's big enough so you can mix everything in. I got my grandmother's like famous thing. Like she used to make cornbread in this and everything. I just washed it out and everything. So something to I'm gonna leave it in this. I didn't buy any like, you know, I didn't buy any like the aluminum pans. I didn't buy any of that. So I just decided I was gonna do it like that. Just a regular spoon so you can mix your stuff in. I actually bought all this stuff today. It's not gonna hurt that this is great value condensed milk. I bought two of them. You're gonna need two of these. Okay. Went into Dollar Tree. Bought two of these. Banana cream. Okay. You're gonna need two of them. Because if you're gonna make a pan, you need to make two of them. And did I have a hassle trying to find some vanilla wafers today? Oh my gosh. Look. Original vanilla wafers. I probably just need one, but I decided to go ahead and buy two because I like a lot of cookies in mine. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. Oh, we can't forget about the whipped cream. We got two of these. This is also great value. Great value is just as good as the brand. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on stuff. So, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. I was trying to angle this so you guys could see it and see it well. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna start by putting our whipped cream in here. I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible because I don't want to make the video too long. I really don't. So y'all can keep these if y'all want to. Y'all know y'all be keeping containers, so you won't have to buy any. So I'm gonna take the spoon that I got, and we're gonna, you know what? Hold on, because making this banana pudding, it can be very messy. You definitely want to get the can open because you got to open up the stuff. Not trying to get my hands dirty because it gets real sticky when you make this stuff. So I'm gonna get all that whipped cream out of there. And shout out to my aunt that's in Jackson, Tennessee. She taught me how to make this when I was literally like 15 years old, y'all. I was 14. I think I was 14. Oh no, I think I was 15. I'm gonna say 15. Because I know I was either going to high school or already in high school. See that whipped cream start flying everywhere. It's already on my air fryer over there. Can y'all see that real? Because I definitely want to make it so y'all can see. Okay. Y'all, so at this point, we're going to go ahead and add the Jello mix. That's one. No matter how you put it in there, just pour it in there. You know what I'm saying? I know everybody don't like banana pudding, but I do, and I can eat this shit all day. I would have added a little music with this whole thing, but you know what? I'm not, copyright is a son of a gun, right? So two of that. And what we're gonna do, let's go ahead and get the can opener, and we're gonna go ahead and open up the condensed milk. So we definitely wanna start that. Oh, and this is when it gets real sticky. See, it's already on the can opener. So go ahead and pour it in there. You will see it kind of like doing that. You want to get all of it. You want to get all of it. You want all your money's worth. I paid almost $2 for this condensed milk, I believe. I already got dishwater over there because I'm telling you. Yes, y'all notice I haven't mixed nothing up yet because I'm not done yet. So, yeah. That's just one of them. Now we're going to do two of them. I already added my 2 condensed milk. So, now what I'm doing now, see, it's already a little messy. I already shook up my evaporated milk. That's, yeah. And let me tell y'all something. Almond milk original is just as good when you're doing certain things now. You know what I'm saying? Some things, but this is gonna work. Now, sometimes you don't need the whole thing, but sometimes you do need the whole thing. And it depends on how mushy it looks or how soft it looks. Because as you see, once it goes in there, it kind of goes right through it a little bit. You might don't need the whole thing. It just depends on, you don't want it too soupy and you don't want it too thick. So we finna shake it. We finna mix it up now. So we're gonna see how it looks once I get done mixing it up. So I feel like I got it all mixed up. After you get the sides real good, make sure you don't see no banana powder on the sides and stuff. You good. So y'all see that it's not too soupy and it's not too thick. And if you think it is, you can always just add just a little bit more evaporated milk in there, right? Okay, because you definitely don't want to, because once you get to pour it and add your other stuff into it, yeah, you're good. So I think we're good on this part, right? So now what we're gonna do is the bananas. We're gonna cut up the bananas, y'all. So, okay, we got to do this fast because I tried to get them as ripe as I could. You see it's more green at the top. I bought 2 bananas just in case. Now, this is a request for somebody. It's a request. So, literally, I'm kind of doing it for them and me too because I like bananas. See, that's a fresh banana. We're gonna gonna cut that because we're just gonna cut them in slices just like that. And see, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hurry up, and once I pour the stuff in, this knife will cut the crap out of you, so you got to be careful. Got this as a gift too. Throw this away, the banana peel. Let's go ahead and open up this one. I'm kind of moving fast because I usually do not put bananas in here, but since I am doing this for y'all and doing this for somebody, I'm gonna do the bananas. I'm not a big banana person, but you know, this person wanted bananas in it. My grandmother liked the bananas in her because she was a banana person, but I was like, I don't know. The only time I eat a banana is if I'm trying to keep from being hungry. Cause I don't never just be like, oh, I want a banana. Like, hell no. Okay. So now since we got them cut, I can go ahead and put that in my dishwater. I got the cookies, y'all. So what you want to do is, I like to have mine a specific way. I'm finna show y'all. Start putting the bananas in there. Just because they get old quick. I'm telling you, in a matter of freaking seconds. So you definitely want to go ahead and start spacing them out. You just want to do just one layer at the bottom. Okay. Now do your cookies. You want some cookies at the bottom. I like them. I like to put them, space them out, and put them all around there. I actually meant to put the cookies first, then the bananas. It don't really matter, but I'm trying to speed it up because the bananas get old so freaking quick. So you definitely want it to kind of sit in the refrigerator after this, which I'm gonna show y'all when I get done. But you want plenty of cookies at the bottom. I don't know why I didn't just put them in here first. The cookies in here first. It's cool though. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pour some of that good old banana pudding mix in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and layer it, but you're gonna layer some of it because we're dealing with a pan here, right? Just like that. Oh my gosh, it's gonna look so bomb when I get done with it. Y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh, when you gonna start selling this? Once y'all start paying me, that's when I start selling it. So now you got just good enough in there because you want to leave some in there in the bowl. You want to leave some in there. You're gonna start spreading it out. So you can do another layer. Because now what I'm about to do is I'm about to add the cookies again. Oh, look at that cookie. It's trying to stand up. I like it to sit flat though. I'm telling you, it's a little messy, so I try to be as clean as possible. Your first layer should look just like that. It's just as smooth as that. Okay, let's go ahead and add the cookies. And I'm trying to hurry up so the rest of the bananas that oh my gosh, the rest of the bananas that I got in here is finna go on the top. Because what I'm about to do, I'm about to add another layer. And that'll literally be my last layer. So that's how it look with that second layer, right? So now I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with the rest of the mix that I got. Literally, the rest of the bowl that I got. I already put the bananas in there as y'all just saw. So this layer is gonna be just slightly thick. Yeah. There's no reason to try to stretch another layer. This is gonna be the one on the top. Look how they look in there. It almost look like cake batter. Oh my goodness. You want to get all that. You don't want to waste no money. Do you hear me? This is my classic banana pudding. I would literally start selling this. I feel like if I start selling this, I would literally I think a lot of people would like it. I really think I'm feel like I was trying to hurry up because y'all know what I said about them bananas. They get over it, so I want to hurry up and just smother them quickly. Because those bananas was fresh too. I could just smell the freshness on them. Okay, excuse me. All of that. Literally. So y'all know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stretch. Well, not stretch. Spread all of this out. Okay. Spread it out. Make it flat as possible because you want it to look I'm saying. You want it to look real nice and neat. As you can see, I pretty much mixed everything up pretty nice because you don't want nothing looking too lumpy. That's why I say you have to mix it real good and make sure you put plenty of evaporated milk in there. Don't want it too soupy and you don't want it too thick. Y'all can see so far, this is what it looks like. Now, okay, so now I'm opening up my second box because clearly I need just a few more. So I thought, I kind of figured I was going to need 2 boxes, but not the whole second one. So we're going to add the last few cookies. Don't they look bomb? Now I'm going to crumble up the cookies in so that way it'll be on top like this. And y'all, this is not done yet. This is literally just me making it. I have to literally let it refrigerate. So I'm gonna show y'all the finished product in the morning, because it's gonna look the same just like this, but just cold and more thicker. And I'll just dig into it and let y'all see. But y'all, this is the finished product. That's what it is, man. Don't that look bomb? Oh my goodness. So let's see what the finished product looks like. See, right now y'all see it moves a little bit. It's not ready. It needs to be cold. All right, we're gonna see how it looks in the morning. Guess what? We got the finished product of the banana pudding. I'm about to go ahead and make me a plate, but I want y'all to see how it looks. Okay. Here we are the next day, and voila. As you can see, it's a little bit more firm. Now, it's not moving like it did last night, right? Baby, let's see. Oh, look at that. And there we have banana pudding, y'all. See the banana? That's bomb. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just wanted y'all to see that. I'm about to have like a little dessert. Yeah. That's what it is. My classic banana pudding. Peace, and until next time, y'all.